Welcome to the ultimate showdown between OneSimCard and Mint Mobile, where we'll see which eSIM provider offers more flexibility and better value for your needs. OneSimCard is perfect for international travelers, with its extensive global coverage and multiple phone number options. It's a convenient choice for those who frequently switch between countries and want to avoid expensive roaming charges. Meanwhile, Mint Mobile targets users in the US with affordable plans and good network coverage, making it a strong contender for domestic use. However, it lacks the global versatility that OneSimCard provides. If you're considering an eSIM with unlimited data and worldwide usability, yesim might be the ideal choice for you. It offers unlimited data packages as well as standard options, ensuring you're always connected wherever you go. Check out yesim with unlimited data packages here. Whether you need an eSIM for travel or everyday use in the US, we've got you covered in this detailed comparison. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up.